Today, we will discuss Leonardo AI and Flux. Both function within the realm of AI driven visual production, enabling users to realize their concepts through AI generated images. They are both founded on swiftly developing AI technology, indicating they are consistently being upgraded and enhanced. Both are instruments employed by creative individuals to generate visual materials. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Leonardo AI is recognized for its powerful tools for tailored model training, enabling the creation of very specific and personalized images, provides a flexible platform emphasizing the delivery of extensive control to users throughout the creative process. It is recognized for generating detailed images of high quality and excels in handling text prompts. It highlights meticulous control and personalization, making it ideal for users needing accurate artistic results. Flux excels at swiftly creating inventive and lively images, provides different editions like Flux Fast and Flux Realism, customized for particular requirements. It is recognized for its ability to generate realistic images effectively. Certain users claim that Flux effectively manages hands and text found in images. Flux is frequently recognized for its capacity to generate vibrant and creative outcomes. Flux is created to swift image generation, making it an excellent option for fast iterations. All in all, if you need highly customized and detailed images and prioritize control, Leonardo AI is a strong option. If you value speed and imaginative outputs, Flux may be a better fit.